Hey guys, today I'm coming to you from 4948 South Galzerano Point in Green Acres, Homosassa. Good morning, this is Brad Zaruba with RES Luxury Group, eXp Realty. Today I am showing you a double-wide mobile home on 0.96 acres. This home was built in 2004 and is 1,976 square feet. It's on 0.96 acres, fully fenced. Give you a pan around here at the front yard. You've got a nice wooded area to one side, and as you can hear, the birds are chirping. It's a pretty quiet area. So that's our front yard there. And let's go ahead and get in there and check out the home. This home is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with 2 family room areas, a fireplace, and all kind of goodies. Storm door here so you can have some light come through. Alright, and welcome to your new home. So as you come into the living room, you can see we've got some vaulted ceilings. The air conditioner was put in just a couple of months ago, so nice new system there. You can see we have some laminate floors, nice large open space when you walk in. So you enter into the family room, you've got the kitchen and the dining with some sliders right there off to the backyard. All the windows in this home are double pane. And you see you've got a really nice sized kitchen with a nice little sit-in area. And then right off of your kitchen, you've got your laundry with another door out to the back. Swinging back around, let's go check out the master. This is a split floor plan. So off of the family room when you first enter, we've got an oversized master suite. It's got its own walk-in closet. Right here, plenty of storage. You've got 3 windows in this room, so it's nice and bright. And then your ensuite bathroom with a very large soaking tub, double vanity, and a standalone shower. Alright. So we're going to head back into the other side of the home. And as you go through that family room, like I showed you before, it opens up into a really nice sized dining room. It's an extra perk for this mobile home. This is a large table, could have 6 chairs, well, does with a bench. So lots of space for the family. And then right off of the dining room, we've got another sitting area, another family room with a wood-burning fireplace. Also a very nice feature. This side of the home has the additional 4 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms, one of which is a Jack and Jill, which I'll show you. So right off of that family room, you've got your first bedroom. Good sized bedroom. And then as we continue down, this home is very large. It's a double wide mobile. Here we've got a bathroom with a shower and tub combination, single vanity. Then right off of that, we've got another bedroom. These bedrooms all have standard closets. The master bedroom has that walk-in. And then here we've got a little hallway that separates the 2 additional bedrooms. So we'll hop in here first. Here's our other bedroom. Pan you around so you can see the whole deal. And this door right here is to the Jack and Jill, but I'll show you from the other side. And then finally we have our last bedroom. And this is just a really cool feature to have this extra bathroom, so if the big brother or big sister says it's mine, they can call it. So Jack and Jill, and this one does have a double vanity as well, so it could certainly be shared. And that is pretty much the interior of the home. You can see it's very spacious. Lots of room to spread out and lots of bedrooms. So I'll give you a sense before we go to the backyard of that bright space in the back. Fully fenced. You've got a number of sheds on the property for storage of your toys, lawnmower, kayaks, etc. Horses are allowed in this area. And for ease, we're going to go back out the front door and just walk around the property. All the birds are starting to wake up this morning. So right over here on this side, the brand new AC, awesome. And you can see there's a separate partition, so you can section off the yard. If you wanted to let the dogs run around in only one spot, you can absolutely do so. And I'll pan around and show you the back of the home here. Here's one of our sheds, and then we've got another storage area here. And you can see just like kind of the end, there's a metal fence that separates the property. So this is all yours. So pan back around here, got a little fire pit under the oak. And there we go, guys. So this is a great option. It's being listed for $200,000. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Brad at resluxurygroup.com, or you can reach me at 206-913-7505. Hope to see you out here.